Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dera Anggiana Ruspandi, a graduate student in the Master of Management program at the University of Universitas Negeri Jakarta. On this occasion, I will present the result of my research conduct as the requirement from the completion of my master degree entitled The Role of Trust in Influencing the Intention to Use the Beyond by BSc Application Without Approach. Chapter 1, Background. Digital transformation is a key driver of bank efficiency and competitiveness of global bank implement digital strategy. In Indonesia, banking digitalization is expanding after the COVID-19 pandemic. OJK published the Digital Transformation Blueprint for Banking, focusing on data, technology, risk management, collaboration, and institutional order. Mobile banking is the spearhead of access to financial service widely and efficiently. Trend in the use of mobile banking in Indonesia. 1 million digital banking transaction until September, and transaction value of 7 trillion. Bank Indonesia and driven by the penetration of the internet, smartphone, and digital native Gen Z. Jabodetabek is the center of mobile banking. The next, BSI Digital Innovation and Beyond Super App launch. BSI, the result of the merger of State Islamic Bank, officially operation since Feb 2021. Asset at the end 400 trillion. 2024 launch of Beyond by BSI, a Sharia mobile banking super apps, feature complete transaction, Sharia investment, G-Swap, QRIS to lifestyle and spiritual service. 1 million transaction is an value is 1 trillion in 14 days of launch. Beyond by BSI transaction feature, Beyond provide various services such as checking balance as account mutation, transfer between account and other banks, payment the electric, weather, internet, to the purchase of credit and data package. Social feature, Beyond makes it easier for user to distribute zakat, infak, and wakaf G-Swap digitality as well as participate in various donation programs such as assistance for Palestine and etc. Security crisis and its impact on trust. In May 2023, BSI was attacked by Lockbit ransomware, a digital service outage, and disruption of mobile banking, ATM is a brand office. Survey 92% of customers are hesitant to use BSI's digital service again. 20% in Beyond use in 2 weeks after the attack. Determinant of recovery, trust, transparency, speed of system recovery. Research focus, the unified theory of acceptance and use of technology provide is comprehensive and relevant framework for understanding the factor that influence individual intention and behavior is adopting technology, including mobile banking at BSI. Objective to examine the factor that affect the intention to use mobile banking after the security incident. What's problem formulation? The first, does performance expectancy have a positive and significant influence on behavioral intention? And next, effort expectancy to behavioral intention. Kemudian next, social influence to have a positive significant influence on behavior intention. Next, social influence have a positive and significant to trust and price value, habit, trust, have a positive and significant influence on behavior intention to use the mobile banking BSE application. And the last, on direct effect, does behavior intention have a positive and significant influence to use behavior in the use of the beyond BSE mobile banking application? And the indirect effect problem formulation is, does behavior intention mediate the effect of performance expectancy and use behavior in the use of a beyond mobile banking application? Does behavior intention mediate the effect of the effort expectancy and the use behavior? Does behavior intention mediate the influence of social influence to use behavior? Does trust mediate the influence of social influence on behavior intention to use of the beyond? Does behavior intention mediate the influence of price value on use behavior? And the last, does behavior intention mediate the influence of habit to use behavior? And the next, the chapter 2, the Telatu review. The first, performance expectancy. Performance expectancy is one of the main contracts in technology acceptancy theory, which is defined as the action to which individual believes that using a system will help them achieve improvement in job performance. And the second, effort expectancy. Effort expectancy perceived as of use, is of use, and complexity. The third, social influence. Social influence is defined as an individual perception of the belief of other that can influence decision. Price value, a balance between the benefit of the system and the cost of use. Next, definition of habit, automate behavior due to repetitive use of technology, and thus use dependent in the credibility and security of system. Next, behavior intention is a continuous desire to use technology in the future. And last, use behavior, frequency, and variety to use system, usage time, the usage frequency, and usage variety. The next, a hypothesis of previous research. Performance expectancy, effort expectancy, social influence, phrase value, habit, trust, behavior, intention, have variable dependent to behavior intention, have positive and significant to previous research. And then is in indirect effect, performance expectancy, mediation relationship, effort expectancy to use behavior, variable mediator behavior intention have positive and significant. The next, effort expectancy to use behavior, social influence to use behavior, social influence to behavior intention, variable mediator trust. Trust mediate to influence is social influence in the intention of use. Praise value to use behavior, and last, habit to use behavior. On variable mediator behavior intention, habit reinforce intent and promote continuous use. And this is theoretical model. Okay, the next, chapter 3, research method. Research time and the flash. This is study the process of distributing question to respondent will begin in June 2025. This research will be carried out online using a question made touch Google Form. Furthermore, the research will distribute questions to respondents who meet certain criteria, including those who are domiciles in Jakarta province and the location of their study. Design research, the study use a conclusive research design and step by Malhotra, which research design its aim to test hypothesis and provide generalizable conclusion about a marketing phenomenon. Population, the population in this study includes all people in the Jakarta province area who use BSIS beyond mobile banking service. Sample, the selection of Jakarta province is based on the data showing at the Greater Jakarta area has the highest percentage of mobile banking used in Indonesia, which 91%. Must be at least 17 years old and coordinate with a requirement set by Bank Syariah Indonesia online account opening. The number of targeted respondent is as less 400 people, and the determinants of reference number guidance by higher, considering that study use 72 indicator. Data collection technique. Questionnaires distributed online were made using Google Form and distribution of private message, WhatsApp, Telegram, and Line, which will be distributed to respondents will living in Jakarta area. In the study, the researcher used a 5-point Likert scala. Data techniques. The research used structural equation model, SEM, approach, SEM based on partitionless squares, PLS. Reason of choosing SEM PLS, able to analyze complex relationship between variable, does not inquiry data normally, sustainable for model with multiple contracts, and indicator accounting for measure error. The first evaluation of Malaysia's model objectives ensure that each indicator is able to accuracy reference less variable, assess the validity and reliability of research instrument. The next evaluation of structural model, R-square value, significant test, t-statistic, and the last multicollinearity test atau FEF. Assessment the stretch of relationship between contracts measure the model ability to explain and reduce variable. The last hypothesis testing is a SEM-PLS bootstrapping. Chapter 4, Dictation. Data deskripsi, gender, male, women's, and work not yet work, employees, 40%, and unmarried, married, 14%. Descriptive analysis, performance ekspektasi, main for question with the highest mean using the Beyond apps help to increase the effective of my banking. Interpretasi, the benefit of the application are left to be very high. For aplikasi, the Beyond apps is easy run to use. Interpretasi, the application is very easy. The people around me must to use Beyond apps strong social support in interpretasi question, a high question, the benefit of the beyond application are worth it, the cost of effort I expended, the value of the benefit is considered commercial. And the question with the high mean using the beyond application has become my habit, very high use habit. Thus, I believe the beyond apps is safe and reliable. And then behavior intention, I intend to continue using by beyond apps in the future. Interpretasi very strong intention of use. And the result, convergent fatality outer model. In the result is a positive height in 0.7. Based on the result of the measurement model test, all indicator used in this study show in the outer loading values above the minimum limit of 0.7 to that can be declared valid convergently. The high outer loading value indicated that Earth indicator is able to represent, and we can construct the is measured robustly and consistently. This is a result model by 6 indicator. And then discriminant validity. Discriminant validity is a method used to ask the action to which a construct can be empirically distinguished from other construct. In a research model, discriminant validity testing was carried out by looking at cross-loading value or using two main approach, namely for the local criterion and HTMT ratio. Feasibility test. Converse alpha values indicate the indicator in each construct have an excellent level of internal consistency, conventionality, RHOA, RHOC confirm that the construct in the model have high gravity and are able to measure latent variable consistent. Average variance extracted indicates that each contract is able to explain more than 50% of the variance of each indicator. And the structure model test R-square, the R-square value of all dependence variable is a strong category indicating good model explanation. Intention behavior has a high R-square, which amount 84% of the variation can be explained by independent variables in the model, and the trust has a R-square value 1.5, indicating that 57% of the trust variation is influenced by the variable in the model. The behavior has an R-square value 0.6, which means that 60% of the variance can be explained by the independent variable. Then last, the value of R-square adjusts, which relative the same as R-square, indicate that the research model is stable and does not experience significant bias due to the number of predictions. Hypothesis. A hypothesis is declared especially in the statistic value exceed the critical limit 1.9 and the p-value is below 0.05 at significant level of 5%. This criteria show the significant influence between the contrast analysis in the research model. In this direct effect, intention behavior to use behavior, and the last trust intention behavior have a significant value, significant and positive. Indirect effects is same. If for ekspektasi, intention behavior to use behavior, values more than 0.5. The hypothesis, performance ekspektasi, result positive influence, effort ekspektasi, social influence, price value, habit, trust, have a positive influence to dependent variable. The next intention behavior to use social influence to trust, have a positive influence all to dependent variable. And the last, indirect relationship, performance ekspektasi to use behavior, mediation variable behavior intention, and the last, social influence to behavior intention with mediation trust, have a proven to mediate all this. By example, performance ekspektasi to use behavior, the perception of benefit and improvement performance from a strong intention which further drives the actual use of beyond application. And the last example, social influence to behavior intention mediasi trust. Social influence increase trust, the security and reliability of the F, which further strengthens in the intent to use. Let's chapter 5, conclusion. Performance ekspektasi, behavior intention, efforts, and the result is positive and significant. By example, the benefit and performance achievement of BSI beyond application in scale usage intent. Implikasi by research, perform ekspektasi, effort ekspektasi, social influence, price value, habit, trust, intention behavior, and use behavior. Participle implication for BSI, high glitch feature that increase productivity, maintain simple interface design, develop community-based promotion, testimony, and referral program, keeping service cost competitive, increase user engagement, touch billing reminder, strength cybersecurity, data transparency, and the use protection communities, presenting relevant future innovation, and the last, improve use experience, touch fast, stable, and responsive customer support. The next participle implementation of the research, the study confirmed the relevance of a theory model in explaining to adoption by beyond by BSI. And the last, the second, performance ekspektasi, effort ekspektasi, and the variable proven of the effect behavior intention, which has an impact in the use behavior. This finding so this technology adoption in influences not by only benefits and convenience, but also by user habit and beliefs. Social influence play a role in forming trust, thus strengthening the intention of use technology. The integration of the trust as a mediation variable increase the development of the theory, especially in the context digital Islamic banking. Technical advice, perform expectation, export ekspektasi, and then participle advice, enhance competitive feature, accelerate transaction, and the strengths beyond. Simply interface, improve transaction below, implementasi community-based information, evaluate the cost structure, increase engagement, touch, future personalization, relevant notification, and etc. Strength, cybersecurity, data management transparency, improving service quality, drive regular use, touch, reward, billing reminder, and personal finance feature. And the last, theoretical suggestion. The first, the next study suggests add other variables such in facilitating condition, and then perceived risk, service quality, and the user satisfaction to gain more comprehensive understanding of the factor that affect behavior intention and use behavior. And then the next research need to explain to coverage of respondent to various regions in Indonesia so that the research have external validity and stronger generalization for mobile banking user nationwide. And the last, it is recommend to use the less theoretical reference and well as more drives empirical data such as actual usage data or in-depth interview to strengthen understanding of the influence of trust, habit, and price value on the usage behavior. Thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.